Did you know Australia once lost a war to birds? It's true. Get ready for a hilarious story about the Great Emu War. In 1932, Australia faced a unique problem: emus. These large birds invaded farmland. They caused chaos by eating crops and ruining harvests. Farmers were desperate for help. The government decided to intervene. They sent soldiers armed with machine guns to tackle the emu issue. Sounds easy, right? Not quite. When the soldiers arrived, they found the emus were clever. They scattered quickly in groups. A soldier said, "It's like they know we're here." It was trickier than they thought. Over the course of several weeks, the soldiers faced constant failure. They couldn't hit the fast-moving birds. The emus would dash, dodge, and disappear into the bushes. When they did shoot, it often missed. One soldier even humorously declared, "If only these birds stood still." Frustrated, the troops returned home empty-handed. The emus had won. In the end, the Emu War became a legend. It's a funny reminder of nature's unexpected power. Australia learned a valuable lesson about wildlife coexistence. So, whenever you hear someone mention the Great Emu War, remember, sometimes birds win. Want to know more wacky stories from history? Hit subscribe for more fun facts.